Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture and bio on your TikTok application using your mobile device. Personalizing your TikTok profile helps you stand out, connect with followers, and showcase your personality. First of all, open the TikTok application on your Android or iOS device. From the home page of TikTok, go ahead and tap on your profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile section, click on Edit right next to your username at the top. From the Edit Profile section, you can go ahead and update your TikTok's profile picture as well as your bio. First, we are going to change our profile picture. Go to the top where it says Change Photo and tap on it. Now, you can either take a photo from your device's camera or upload an existing photo from your device's camera roll. I'm gonna choose Upload Photo. Once you are taken to your device's camera roll, select your photo you'd like to use as your profile picture on TikTok. After tapping on one of the photos, you can go ahead and adjust the picture preview and click on Save and Post. If you want to post this photo to Story, you can check this little circle at the bottom. If not, leave this unchecked and click on Save. Within a few seconds, you have successfully updated your profile picture on TikTok. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is to change our bio. From the same page, go to Bio section and tap on it. Now, go ahead and erase your current bio and write down a new one. After typing down your new bio, go ahead and click on Save at the top right corner. Now your bio has been changed. Return back to your profile page to ensure that your new profile picture and bio are visible to others. And that's it. Your TikTok profile is now updated with new profile picture and bio, making your account more personalized and engaging. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.